Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 9 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find sounds and vibration. Then let's scroll down and localize this ringtone and other sounds and tap on ringtone on the top. So right here we've got system themes which are pre-installed on this device and the custom one, which means that if you have something downloaded and if it is compatible, then you will be able to choose it and set it as a ringtone. I'll choose something from the pre-installed ringtones and maybe from the classic themes. Now all we have to do is to tap on the specific option to check whether we like it or not. So for example this one. And oh, okay, so it is turned off, so let's use the slider. Now it's okay, now it's silent. What does it mean? Oh, okay, here we've got it. All right, so as I said, simply tap on it and then listen whether you like it or not. This is how it works, and let's pretend I want this fanatical option to be applied. So let's mark it and go back, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here and here, which means that from now on our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.